cooker will save your life throughout the week. All you have to do, if you have one, is just take your rice that you're going to make for the steamed crab and for the orange chicken and make it all at once. Just make it one time. I took 2 cups, 4 cups of water, shut the lid, selected brown rice, and walked away. So if you don't do anything else in 2018, get a rice cooker. One of the easiest things to do to save time is to find vegetables that are already chopped, and one of my favorite mixes at Trader Joe's is this asparagus, red onion, and mushroom. It was just calling my name, and instead of buying asparagus and having to trim the ends, it just was a quick, easy way to go with the crab and the lemon rice. And so you can see that not everything in my kitchen, actually hardly anything in my kitchen is perfect, but I have a way of rigging these crab legs that I found in Costco. It's some kind of seafood roadshow through December 31st, and they've got amazing seafood there on sale. So anyway, I use my big pot to boil, and I just like kind of created a little double broiler here. It's gonna be steaming. They're already cooked, so I should only have to steam them about half the time is what I say in the meal prep plan. So even though I make these plans, I'm always trying to look for ways to make them even quicker and even easier. So like when I found the asparagus already cut up with the mushrooms and the onions, I thought that's perfect. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a really quick look at how I'm doing these crab legs. Okay. All right, here we go. There might be some of you guys that have never made crab, just steamed crab at home on your own before. So, you know, I showed you how I just kind of ghetto rigged my way to steam them. You don't need anything fancy. You do need a crab cracker, one of these, but these crabs are super huge. You crack it at the joint first, and then I usually only have to crack it once with this cracker in the middle. Give it a pretty good squeeze, and you break it. Usually these big ones, once you break it, the inside comes out pretty easy. That one didn't, but I bet this side will. You see that meat? That meat is so good, and it pulls right out. That's a big, huge chunk of crab. And then here I have grass-fed butter. So to make sure you get grass-fed, and Kerrygold's a good brand. But what that means is the cows have been fed grass, and they've not been fed corn and soy and hormones. So you want to get that kind of butter. And then you just dip the meat in the butter. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and work on these crabs, but I wanted to show you how it was done.